Welcome back, future medicos. Is it possible to get direct admission to MBBS degree program in any college within India? Is it possible to take admission in private colleges or deemed universities for MBBS? This is the question I'm going to address in this video. Come, let us see the video. I want to dedicate this video to MSD and Suresh Raina, the two cricketers who announced their retirement from international cricket today. I just want to thank them for entertaining us for close to about 15 years. This video was triggered by a message from one of the Twitter followers who asked this question: any admission going on for MBBS directly? Getting messages like direct admission MBBS, KMC, Hamda, JSS, SDU, MGM, and so on. And then there is your mobile number and they say call at this number. Now you can see almost they have listed almost all kind of deemed universities, and even it includes CMC. So now the question is this possible? You are listening to Manikavel Arumugam from Just Get MBBS. Now, should we trust these middlemen or agents? Is it possible to get direct admission to a deemed university? Before answering this question, I want you to look at all these messages on newspapers. So this cutting is taken from September 2017. Students duped of lakhs of rupees offering seats at Kozhikode Medical College. September 2018, businessmen conned of rupees 10 lakh based on promise of MBBS admission at Karnataka Medical College. May 2019, a NEET scam, man held for conning rupees 5 crores. A man who cheated 5 people of rupees 4.95 crores on the promise of getting MBBS seats by influencing the NEET committee, right? 4.95 crores. September 2019, medical seat for daughter cop conned of rupees 1 lakh. Now you look at here, it's not a normal person, it's a woman police inspector being cheated. July 2020, MBBS admission fraud, Delhi-based agents cheat man of rupees 47 lakhs unbooked. And if you Google today, you will find lots and lots of messages like this. Admission racket, right? It's not at one place. It's happening all across India. You can see Andhra Pradesh, you can see Delhi, you can see Bihar, you can see Mumbai. So almost everywhere you can think of, you can find somebody getting cheated every year again and again and again. So do you want to fall for this? So don't try any of these middlemen. There is no guarantee that they are genuine. There is no guarantee that they have any connection to medical colleges. Now the question is, can colleges directly admit students into MBBS or BDS? Is it even possible? Why these middlemen are promoting this? The answer to this question, in fact, is an yes. Yes, colleges can directly admit students into MBBS or BDS stream, but when? The question is when, right? They can do it only during something called stray vacancy round. So they cannot do the admission right now. They cannot admit any students at this point of time when the NEET exam is not even being conducted. So they can admit only during stray vacancy round. Now, what is stray vacancy round and when it will happen? So typically, if you look at the counseling, there will be a round 1 counseling, and whatever seats that fall vacant in round 1 will again be a round 2, during which again candidates will be given a chance to fill the vacant slots in round 2, And if seats are not filled in round 2, again there will be something called mop-up round. And only if seats are vacant in mop-up round, then the seats are surrendered back to respective private colleges or deemed universities. And the deemed universities or private colleges can fill the seats in which is called as stray vacancy round. Now, when do this stray vacancy round happens? It happens only at the last minute before the admission window closes. For example, if admission window is going to close by September 30th, typically the permission to go ahead with stray vacancy round will happen only around 27th or 28th of September. That means only the last 2-3 days the colleges are allowed to fill the stray vacancy that comes after the seats that are not filled for nearly 3 rounds of counseling. Now, will there be seats for stray vacancy round? Yes, every year we see some seats that fall vacant for stray vacancy round. But I don't recommend you to approach colleges right now. If you get a decent score, you can go through the proper counseling, you will certainly get a seat. And if you have money, why do you want to give it to middlemen and then lose the money? So wait for the NEET exam, get a good score in the NEET exam or a decent score at least, and then go through the counseling, go through a proper procedure. You can easily get a seat in deemed universities or private colleges. So don't waste your money. Don't trust someone who may or may not be genuine. So that's all I wanted to say. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in some other video soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.